Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we celebrate the beauty and craftsmanship of classic cars. Today, we're going to take a trip down memory lane and explore the process of restoring a classic 1960 Cadillac. So, buckle up, and let's dive in. Now, let's take a closer look at this stunning 1960 Cadillac DeVille. This beauty is a true symbol of luxury and style, and it's been sitting in a barn for over 50 years. But fear not, because we're about to bring it back to life. First things first, we need to remove the car from its resting place. And here it is, finally out in the open. This Cadillac has been sitting here for decades, but we're about to give it a new lease on life. Now, let's take a look at the car's interior. The seats are in pretty good shape, considering the car's age. The dashboard is a bit worn, but it's still a work of art. The steering wheel is in great condition, and the gauges are all intact. The car's original radio is still here, and it's in surprisingly good shape. Now, let's move on to the engine. This Cadillac is powered by a 325 horsepower V8 engine, which is still in great condition. The car's suspension is also in good shape, and it's ready to hit the road. Next up, we have the trunk. It's a bit rusty, but it's still a beautiful piece of history. The car's original spare tire is still here, and it's in great condition. Now, let's take a look at the car's underside. The car's frame is in good shape, and it's ready for restoration. The car's floor is a bit rusty, but it's still solid. The car's exhaust system is in good condition, and the car's original fuel tank is still here. And here, we have the car's engine, ready for restoration. This Cadillac is a true gem, and it's about to get a new lease on life. So, there you have it, folks. A classic 1960 Cadillac, ready for restoration. This car is a true piece of history, and we can't wait to see it back on the road. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy restoring.